Hello, my name is Adam Cox. I'm principal at Breckenridge County High School over in western central Kentucky. We're kind of in between Owensboro and Louisville there. And I'm starting my fourth year here at the high school. So this is my introductory to you. So I'm going to minimize my picture of me here just a little bit so you can kind of see my display here. But I am a 1998 graduate of this high school. My dad was actually the principal at this high school for 26 years. So a lot of my baby pictures and growing up were right here in this school, which is pretty neat. I went on from Breckenridge County High School to Western Kentucky University, where I played golf for the Hilltoppers and got a degree in business economics. Graduated there in 2003. Went to work in the business industry because I was going to prove my mom and dad wrong, both educators, that I was not going to be in education, and that lasted for 5 years. And I ended up taking a job as an EBD teacher here at Breckenridge County High School and taught special ed for 3 years before I jumped into the administration role and was assistant principal for 6 years here at Breckenridge County High School. And then in 2017, I was fortunate enough to be named the principal here at this wonderful high school. During my time here at BCHS, I did coach the golf team for 10 years and had a wonderful time doing that. Helped 16 young men and young women make it to college level, which is something that really didn't happen a lot before 2008. Me and just three or four other individuals from this high school had ever played college golf, so that was kind of one of my goals, was to provide that opportunity for some of our kids, and I had a great deal of success with that. Also coached softball for 3 years. So that was probably a large mistake on administration here because I didn't not know anything about softball, but had a great time and had a great time with those individuals. I'm married to Lacey Cox. She's the principal or assistant principal at Grayson County High School, and she's also a former Asbury student. So she just went through there with the program with you all. And I have three wonderful daughters: Ellington, Brinley Grace, and Adley Ann. This is a picture of my family right here. My wife and I are both avid golfers, so a couple of our pictures of she and I are on the golf course because that's about all I could find of us. And little girls are starting to play some golf, but I am a daddy of three daughters, and I'm a very blessed man. Also have another family, and that is my family here, Tiger Nation. I mentioned earlier my dad was here for 26 years, so this place is very, very powerful to me. I love it dearly, and I love what I do, and I do it for the kids. I know we say that often, but I love this. I love being interacting with my students, and in the instructional realm, and also out of school. One of my goals is always to help students make memories. And we try to provide a lot of opportunities for kids to make memories here at the high school. You can see down here at the bottom right, that is Tiger Nation. I'm very competitive, so when we go to ball games, I am usually in the hallways the day before or day of, and pretty much making kids come to ball games. So that's a crowd at one of our rival games at Meade County. And then down the bottom middle there, I provide dances for our students. That's something that kind of had gone away, but I have dances, and we have 250 to 300 students that show up at our dances. I'm hoping COVID-19 can get away from here so we can get back to doing some of these big memories like this. And our football game, and that's our we won. Every student that walks into the building in the morning, that's our football team greeting our kids coming in. That's something we do every morning as well. And that's my other team over there, my two assistant principals in the top there. But that is me. Again, my name is Adam Cox. I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. I haven't taken a class in about 7 years, so I'm nervous, but I'm really looking forward to learning and this opportunity. So I look forward to it. Thank you very much.